Cooking with Ky'lnn. Cooking with Ky'lnn. Cooking with Ky'lnn. Cooking with Ky'lnn. What's up, Kick Israel? So today, let me turn this camera. Or right here. Or here. Whatever. Somewhere where they could see the mystery prize. Okay, guys, so today we are going to be doing a cooking video. The last time I did a cooking video was when I made waffles. And yeah. Or I made pancakes. Yeah. And yeah, so I'm hungry, so I'm gonna eat this piece of pound cake because I'm hungry. Anyways, we already got the knife. We just gonna open this and see if we can open it. If it even wants to. But anyways, let's open it. Okay, it's opening, guys. Oh my god, this looks so good. Hold on, wait, let me turn the camera. Alright, yo, look at this. I already got some bites taken out of it, but like, it's fine. Just wanted to show y'all that. We is finna cut a piece. Oh, please don't fall. Hi. Okay, Kids World, thank you for getting me to 177 subs. My goal is 200, and if I hit 200, I might cry. But we're just gonna cut this piece of cake. And yeah.
That's everything,
so
right?
cut that piece of cake, and then we're gonna cut this piece.
No. This is impossible. This is actually impossible. This is impossible.
Ooh.
This is quite literally impossible, bro. Close the door and hide. Close the door and hide, bro. Close the door!
Just gonna put that back.
I'm sorry.
Get my fork. Not a spoon, whatever. Do we got even more silverware? Because we need some more silverware.
Minecraft Steve, this shit, bro.
No, we don't have no more silverware.
What are you about to do with it?
This is how the plate is looking, and let's try some. Let's try some.
That was supposed to happen, right?
So,
The cat! Dog. And of course the door is closed now. Now, see, that was a dream. That was a nightmare that she had. This is real life. The cat ran away. She's hungry.
This is like a 2 out of 10. Wait, this is like a 6 out of 10. 6 out of 10.
In my ears?
Right. Let's flavored. Let's try it.
Is that the door open? Is that? Oh my lord, bro. Oh, she ran out is what they're trying to tell me, but nah, bro, I'm not stupid. Wasn't born yesterday.
The chocolate one is better than
Holy shit.
the vanilla one.
You don't want to close
So,
the door?
I'm gonna rate that
Shoot. Oh, nah, bro, I'm getting the chills. He's in here. It's over.
probably like a 9 out of 10. Let's try one more bite. For the lemon, I think. Okay.
You got a little scared. I knew you were coming.
The lemon is an 8 out of 10.
So is that a loss?
I really like it.
I'm really kidnapped. It's like part of it, bro. Like it's supposed to happen like this.
It's really good. Have a good day, video. Bye, guys. Bye, Kids World.